All right, everybody, welcome back. All right, now that we got those packages installed, what we're wanting to do is we're going to echo exec cinnamon -session to the file called .xinitrc. Okay, now that we've done that, we want to configure Xserver real quick. So it's xorg:0-configure. And it's going to do that right there. If we do an ls, and we now have got, can remove that video.txt thing there. All right, so now we have our new config file that was generated by the Xserver itself. We're going to just copy that to etc capital X11 xorg.conf. Just like that. All right, and we already did the xinit, so we should be able to just start Xserver directly from here, and it should boot right into the desktop. So we do that by start X. And there you have it. You now have a Cinnamon desktop. As usual, we went through and started from nothing and ended up on the desktop. So it's that simple. It's not really all that complicated. It might be a little tedious or what have you. And this is just a very, very basic bare bones setup. It doesn't have really anything. There's no internet browser. There's no email. There's no chat clients. There's none of that. And that's actually a good thing. And I'll show you why. Let's go over here and open up this terminal window. Okay. And I'm going to install htop real quick because it's a bit easier to read than top. Top will tell me what I want, but I prefer htop. All right, so if we run htop, it's using 182 megs of RAM on a full desktop environment. Even though it's a lighter weight desktop environment, it's not all bloated like KDE or whatever. But anyway, it's a very lightweight system. It's very small. As you can tell, this thing is just, it works fairly well. And it's only got 512 megs of RAM. It's using less than half of that. Okay, so this works on old machines, as you can tell. All right, so here we're going to quit that. Let's look at disk space. We're using 30% of our 8 gig drive. Well, 7 gig drive. It's got 1.9 gigs installed already. Okay. Again, this machine isn't supposed to be a gaming machine. This is supposed to be a small, older. Let's revive that old desktop that Grandma outgrew and do something with it. It's been sitting in the closet collecting dust. And that's exactly what we did. And as you can tell, this stuff works fairly well. We can actually install Midori. I think Nemo's installed. Yeah, Nemo is installed. Don't need this file anymore either. And you can see how snappy this is, even with just, half a gig of RAM. Let this finish installing. I'm going to make sure Midori is working before I cut the video out. But you can go on from here, go on the website, sift through their Arch Linux wiki. I mean, they've got everything under the sun in there. If you want to learn how to configure something or install something, that is normally already installed for you. Don't be scared to tinker. Practice safe computing, so make sure you wear a condom. Make sure you have all your packages backed up, or make sure you have all your data backed up just in case something happens and you end up having to wipe it and start over. Or it wipes it for you against your will and you still have to start over. What I like to do is I have a really small, cheap, I only paid a couple dollars for it, little SD card or not SD card, but thumb drive. And what I do is I use that as my initial install medium, but then I just kind of keep it around. I don't wipe it out. I just keep it for emergencies, just in case I have to start over. I've got a workable system already there, and I don't count it amongst the rest of my thumb drives, so it never gets used except for in emergencies. In case of emergency, insert and reboot. So anyway, that helps me not lose everything off the desktop. I at least have even if I have to start from scratch, I have a place to start. All right, anyway, if you like these videos and would like to see more of them, make sure you click like and subscribe. Leave me comments below, questions. If there's something that you'd like to see done, requests, whatever, put it in the description or put it in the comment below. I do read those, unlike some other people. I read every single one of them. I may not answer them in a timely fashion, but I do read them all. Anyway, and you'll have a wonderful day.